Hi, I'm Katherine Chalmers. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of marketing data quality and show you how to quickly and easily clean your marketing database with Microsoft Excel. Why good data quality is crucial for success. Let's be honest, cleaning up the database definitely isn't the sexiest marketing project, but successfully implementing this one task can have a huge impact on your company's bottom line. How much difference does good data make? Serious Decisions estimates that companies can generate nearly 70% more revenue simply by improving the quality of their data. There's a measurable waterfall effect. More leads get qualified and faster, sales follow-up rates increase, more deals close. The incremental improvements at each stage add up fast. Plus, good data is crucial for effective lead nurturing. Analysts tell us only 20% of marketing leads ever get followed up by a salesperson, which we already knew as marketers. But about 80% of those ignored prospects go on to purchase from someone within 24 months. The solution? Keep leads in marketing longer and nurture them until they're sales ready. But you have to have good data to get the right offers to the right prospects at the right time. A quick overview of the cleaning process. Here's my step-by-step process for rapidly cleaning marketing data. Whether you're using a simple database or a CRM system like Salesforce.com, if you can export your data into an Excel readable format and re-import the changes back into your system, you can use this technique. It's especially useful for cleaning and organizing new lists before you put them in the database. You can make sure they meet your quality standards before you even upload them. Keep in mind, manual cleaning does not replace professional cleaning or appending services like Jigsaw Clean or National Change of Address updates. Those services bring new information to your data. We're just cleaning up what you already have. This cleaning process is documented in detail in a new ebook called Double the Value of Your Marketing Data. Step 1. Import your list and align the data. The first step in cleaning a list is to put all the data into a standard order. I start with an Excel template that has all my favorite fields. Today we'll work with a fictional sample list. I'll start by copying and pasting it into my template. Then use cut and paste to rearrange the columns into the same order as the field headers. When I'm done, I'll just delete the header and the extra rows, and now the data is in order and ready to clean. Cleaning and deduping email addresses is the ideal way to get started with your cleaning. First, use the if function to compare each email address to the one above it. If they match, the formula returns duplicate. If they don't, it returns a space and the cell looks blank. Then we'll sort by email address, and the duplicates are easy to see. When sorting, be very careful to sort the entire table, not just the column, and always save a backup of your original file, just in case. Quickly scroll down the column to check for obvious errors. Watch out for fake email addresses and roll emails that you want to get rid of. Now to clean up the names. First sort by last name, then by first name. We'll use a pair of if functions to quickly flag duplicates. Next, we'll use Excel's parse function to clean up these initials in the first name field. Be sure to insert several columns to prevent overwriting your data. Take a look at the new initial fields. You'll want to fix any compound names that were erroneously transferred. Then scroll down to review the last names. Look for anything that doesn't look right. Weird spellings, odd capitalization, or in this case, an unwanted suffix. Cleaning company names. Again, we'll start by sorting the data, this time by company, and I like to add a secondary sort for city. As you scroll down, check for spelling and syntax errors. Also, if you're using a CRM system like Salesforce.com, you may need to make sure that the company names are exactly matching how you have them listed in the CRM system. Otherwise, you'll risk making duplicate account entries when you enter new data. Cleaning city, state, zip, and country. I always begin address cleaning with sorting and updating the country field. Our test list here is US only, so let's move ahead to zip code cleaning. When you sort by zip code, the addresses line up from north to south to west. Keep that in mind as you review the data. It highlights a lot of obvious errors. First, look at New England to make sure no leading zeros have been dropped. You'll want to format those fields as text to protect the zeros when you export from Excel. The states should automatically group together and gradually move west. If you see some in the wrong geographic region, you know that either the state or the zip code is incorrect. Next, make the state fields nice and uniform. I always use standard postal abbreviations. Cleaning company street addresses. Every address is different, so cleaning this field requires a lot more individual attention and individual judgment than the others. Basically, just quickly scan each address and ask yourself, would I be proud to put this on a business letter? And if I did, would it get there? If the answer is yes, move on. If not, make your corrections as needed. Codes for segmentation and nurturing. Effective data coding is how you transform a bunch of names and addresses into a major corporate asset. What are the best codes? They're unique for every business. Basically, you'll want to track the source of each lead, when and how it was generated. You'll want to flag segmentation criteria like product interest, demographic traits, psychographic profiles, or geography. If you're implementing a nurturing campaign, you'll need to set up scoring criteria and identify event triggers or sales milestones to drive the nurturing interactions. Your CRM or marketing automation system will automatically track and update a lot of fields for you, but you'll still need your own. Unfortunately, there are no easy answers for these fields. You have to think it through and analyze your needs within the context of your business. So there you have it. A quick overview of marketing list cleaning with Microsoft Excel. I hope you found the video helpful. For more detailed cleaning instructions, basic data management information, tips for capturing marketing data, and more about custom coding, check out the book